is the Kingston 876 commercial development. It's right behind me. Over 30 billion Jamaican dollars being spent to develop this area. So we're going to get an update for you guys. So definitely stay tuned. And again, if you're new to the channel, this is what we do. So every new project, every new real estate, every new development, whether it's commercial, residential, whatever it is, new house, new hotel, new community, that's where we're at, the showcasing the developments that is happening in Jamaica. So stay tuned for this one. And again, I'm a realtor with Keller Williams Jamaica, if you didn't know before. So if you're buying, selling, renting, whether commercial or residential, or if you know someone that is buying or selling or renting, definitely send them my way. I'm also going to put the link for my realtor channel in the description, in the comments, so you can just click one click and go over to that channel. So the name of the realtor channel is Jamaica Properties for Sale. I'll put the link in the comment. If 3,000 persons watch this video, I want to see 3,000 persons go over. That channel will showcase every property that's for sale. So you want to turn on your notification bell and stay abreast of that channel so you don't miss any opportunity if you're looking to buy, or even if you want to sell your property, or even if you're renting as well. So Kingston 876 commercial development. We're just gonna get some drone shot for you guys. Alright, so this is a new development. They probably started a week or so ago. And one thing with these development, guys, they move so fast. You know, from the clear the land to drainage to perimeter fence, they don't play over here. So I'm just gonna highlight about 3 or 4 ongoing development on this complex. The last video I did was probably 30 days ago. Right, so that video 30 days ago was highlighting Carrera's new building. So that's the company that distributes cigarettes in Jamaica. That's their new building. But since then, a lot of other development has happened. There's even new construction beside Tropical Battery, which I'll show you guys as well. So definitely stay tuned. But they move so fast. In like a month, they're building an entire warehouse. You know, if you pass here, so 2 weeks ago, this wouldn't have been here. So definitely stay tuned. And I'll definitely share some drone shot with you guys. Remember to leave your comments, your thoughts, your opinions. So that red top building down there, probably took a month to build that one. So we're just gonna highlight that and the other areas that they're excavating to start construction. Yeah, so it's a lot of warehouse coming out here. Some of the current tenants are call centers, Nestle, warehouse, Carreras, Tropical Battery, ATL car storage, Fontana have a warehouse out here, Tankwell Metal, Derriman Trading, Shopman Truck Company. So a lot of tenants as well. So we're gonna send up the drone now. So definitely stay tuned. And as usual, guys, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this area. Over $30 billion being spent. For those who remember, about 15 years ago, this was, or even less than that, this was a complete swamp area. Swamp, mosquito, rubbish, and a very stink scent when you're coming in Kingston. And from this wasteland, we're having this commercial area, this commercial hub. So I love development, I love progress, and I love when I can see some positivity happening in Jamaica. Share your thoughts, subscribing is free. Cheapest way to support the channel. So let's get some drone shot of the different happenings over here. There's also a complex beside this one, which they have some of those, you know, futuristic looking container type house. If I don't get to capture a picture, I'll just download a picture and show you what I'm talking. I see some of them over here, so probably they're planning to distribute them, or they're probably, you know, gonna do a development with those type of futuristic, you know, Chinese glass house shaped like containers. Some of them round. I'll get probably 1 or 2 pictures and just insert it here if I don't get to capture any real picture. But yeah, this is where we at, and now it's time to fly like a bird.